Welcome to the College of Media and Communication at Texas Tech University. We're here to fuel your passion with hands-on learning, expert support, and endless career opportunities. From day one, you'll have a team in your corner. Our advisors and COMC staff are more than resources. They're strategic partners helping you navigate every step. With year-round career services, workshops, and student events, we're invested in your growth in and out of the classroom. In COMC, we offer 6 undergraduate degrees. With advertising, you'll blend creativity and strategy to solve real-world communication challenges. From concepting and media planning to copywriting and visual storytelling, you'll craft campaigns that make an impact and prepare for roles with top agencies and global brands. In communication studies, you'll master the art of connection, learning persuasive speaking, relationship building, and strategic messaging that prepare you for leadership in business, politics, nonprofits, or graduate school. With a degree in creative media industries, you'll bring stories to life across film, TV, gaming, and digital platforms. With hands-on experience using pro-level gear, you'll build a portfolio to launch a career with major sport networks, top studios, innovative startups, or even as a freelancer before graduation. In digital media and professional communication, you'll gain skills to harness digital media and create impactful content for business growth. You'll develop strategic communication abilities for leadership roles and learn to use emerging technologies like AI and data visualization to drive innovation and enhance business performance. With a degree in journalism, you'll tell powerful stories that matter. From day one, you'll report, produce, and create content across digital, broadcast, and print platforms, preparing for a career in newsrooms, media companies, or even building your own content brand. In public relations and strategic communication management, you'll shape narratives and manage public perception. Learn to build brand reputation, navigate crisis communication, and lead strategic messaging for businesses, campaigns, nonprofits, and beyond. Maybe you're interested in anchoring the news with MCTV Newscast or hosting a radio show at KTXT FM. You can build skills pitching campaign plans to real clients through RadarCom or join a competitive group like the Ad Team or Debate Team. Maybe you've dreamed of filming a documentary with Adventure Media, working in the Daily Toreador newsroom, or sitting courtside during a live sports broadcast through RadarVision. No matter where your interests lie, we'll help you discover your direction and find a community that is ready to help you grow and make an impact. This isn't just about earning a degree. This is where your passion meets purpose. Let's make your vision real here at COMC.